Good morning, students. Myself Jia Bajpayee. I am from NBGI Group of Education. Today, I explain you the class 10th biology topic, chapter life process. Topic is breakdown of glucose by various pathway. In this topic, today I explain you that how glucose break down into pyruvate and how can it can be differentiated into three parts, and the process and reaction take place in the aerobic and anaerobic form. First of all, the glucose, which is 6 molecules. You know the formula of glucose is C6H12O6. So the 6 carbon molecules, that is glucose, break down into 3 carbon molecule pyruvate in the cytoplasm. So the process breakdown of glucose into pyruvate is taken in each step. After that, the pyruvate, which is the simplest form in compare to glucose, is break down into three parts. First, if it break down in the absence of oxygen, just like microorganisms in yeast, it break down into ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. But if it can be break down in the lack of oxygen in muscle cells, it produce the lactic acid plus energy. In the presence of oxygen, it break down into mitochondria and release the carbon dioxide, water and energy. The point is that there are three type of respiration occurs in the pathway. First is aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration means when the respiration take place in the presence of oxygen. So when the respiration take place in the presence of oxygen, what will be happen? The glucose glycolysis process form and in cytoplasm and transfer to the pyruvate. So in mitochondria, the pyruvate break down into carbon dioxide, water and energy. Here 38 ATP of energy molecules it be produced. This type of respiration occurs in human body just like ourselves. And another form is anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic means the respiration occurs in the absence of oxygen. So in this process, the glucose break down into pyruvate and cytoplasm. After that, in the absence of oxygen, it can be form the ethanol, carbon dioxide plus energy. So the anaerobic respiration occurs in the absence of oxygen just like microorganism respiration, and the aerobic respiration occurs in the human beings or the other organism, the presence of oxygen. But the third form in the muscular respiration. Muscular respiration occurs in the muscle cell. In this cells, the what will be happen? The lactic acid form. The lactic acid form, it means you know that when you do vigorous exercises, the cramps will be formed. Cramps, what is the means of cramps? Cramps is the respiration occurs in the muscle cells. That's why the cramps occurs in your body if you do vigorous exercises. So why cramps is formed? Due to presence of lactic acid, the cramps will be formed. So this is the pathway of the most important topic for the board examination, because they can be separately questioned that what is the aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration, what is the muscular respiration. And the next form of arising question is that they can form the breakdown of glucose in various pathway, the complete, and missing some words after that 1, 2, 3, and can ask to fill the missing words. So it is most important for the point view of the board examination. Clear beta? So after that, the respiration topic completed now. The next topic, the transportation of organism. Now I explain you in the next topic. Okay, thank you.